Moss agate is a variety of chalcedony belonging to the quartz family and is often found as fragments from weathered volcanic rock. Moss agate isn't banded, so it's not technically an agate. However, it does have the same chemical composition and intriguing patterns of agate. The first step is shaping. I'm using a diamond-coated grinding drum on a 200 series Dremel. The moss-like inclusions you see are mostly oxides of manganese or iron. Thanks for hanging out and watching me polish a rock. Please hit that subscribe button while you're here. I believe these craters are crystals inside the stone because they sparkle in the light. We'll look at them with a microscope later and see what's inside. Once I get the first side flat, I'll repeat this process for the remaining sides. The stone has been cut from a larger piece, so most of the sides are already flat. They just need a little work to even them out and smooth the edges. This is how it looks after shaping. The beginning stages of polishing will continue to gently shape the stone. Starting with 60 grit wet or dry sandpaper, 80, 100, 150, 240, 400, 800, 1200, 2000, 3000, 'I was tired of sitting, so I decided to finish it up on the polisher. This is a variable speed polisher that we have mounted to a table. I did the remaining grits of 5,000 and 10,000. I took frequent breaks to scrub the stone and remove dust buildup on the crystals. Here is the dry stone before I apply mineral oil. Mineral oil helps to clean and protect the stone. I'm using a cut of denim fabric to rub it in. Here's my finished piece of polished moss agate. Now let's look through the microscope. All of these rainbow reflections must be more quartz crystals hiding beneath the surface. Moss agate is such a beautiful stone. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more rock content.